Our third activity is importing and rendering. In this activity, we will learn to import an already created Blend project and render that project in .png image format so that it can be viewable in any image viewer. So to open the already created Blend project, press Ctrl+O on the keyboard and select the Blend file. We are using ball.blend file. Select and open the file. Let's change this blue color pentagon to black. So, for this, go to the Material Properties, select on the blue color bar in Surface option, and inside RGB put all values as 0. Now the color has changed, but we cannot see it in viewport pane. Let's try rendering it. Go to the Render option on the top menu bar. Under Render, select Render Image option. A new window will open, and this is our newly colored black and white football. The background here is gray in color, which doesn't give that much visibility, so let's remove it and make it transparent. Close the render window. Now under the Properties pane, go to Render Properties. Inside that, click on the Film option. Under that, tick the checkbox of Transparent. Now let's render the image again. The gray part is now gone and the background is transparent. Now let's save the file by clicking Shift+Alt+S. Select the file format option as PNG. Select the location to save the file and name the file as football.png and click on Save as Image button. Done, our file is saved.